This is one of my favorite lessons on how to create a law firm system or process without the attorney. My goal is that you walk away, you're equipped, excited, engaged, empower you as the support team, the legal leaders with the skills, tools, confidence, excitement, determination to design, own, implement, and maintain efficient systems independently of the attorney oversight. This ensures smoother operations, scalability, and better use of all your resources, and ultimately getting you all out of overwhelm. And wearing way too many hats. So as we say in LFAB, come with a proposed solution versus constant problems. Team, this is your way to become the everyday hero for your attorney. This is for you too, including overseas and 1099 and virtual assistants, especially if you're the only employee or the only VA there. This is your time to become the everyday hero and absolutely shine. I'm going to mock how to take the initiative to build a system without the attorney. And the motto is teach, show, do, go, grow, as we talk about so often in LFAB. Always with the intent to come with proposed solution mindset to the attorney. I will teach you how to do it. Always easier to edit than create. Show you, and I'm going to mock it here today. Then as you go, you can do it in your law firm and then make refinement and enhancement, and this is how you grow. Knowledge is not power without action. And at the end of this module, you will have a system building worksheet to anchor to time and time and time again. My goal is that during your growth days, you pick one system a month to go back to. You'll be able to create a clear, repeatable, and scalable process for a specific task or function. The goal is that we're going to start with one key process that either doesn't exist, isn't working, is incredibly inefficient and frustrating, and or maybe one that needs an audit with the goal of efficiency and refinement. Because remember, the goal is always that this is in support of your quarterly bonus incentive-based compensation plan. So think about a system. Common ones that we see is intake or sales, case management, billing, invoicing. For my estate planning law firms, the biggest headache is between design and sign process. That's how we ultimately get paid by that when we deliver documents. Intake. Like I said, follow-up, post-event follow-up, event planning, things of that nature. So before we dive into it, here's some rules and gamification. Number one, there must be one leader of the process project. One person, not the attorney, facilitating, scheduling meetings, follow-up meeting, brainstorming sessions, managing the project until completion, and they're reporting in consistently in your weekly stakeholders meeting. Even if this person is not responsible for the doing, maybe they're not even in the department. If everybody is in charge, nobody's in charge. Number two, consistency without fail. It is hardwired scheduled, and I'm going to give you the framework here in a minute. This is why things never happen. We never make it to completion. We never complete anything, are the statements that I hear over and over again from team members, rightfully so, because we haven't had a framework to be able to anchor to and systematize building a system or a process. Schedule weekly growth time. Pick a time that works each week. I love Fridays because it's a celebration. That's a way to really end your week on a high and with complete personal and professional victory. And lastly, you're going to love this one. Number three, create a bonus. Go to the attorney with a proposed solution. If we take the lead on this, and when it's completed, we have X done, we would like to propose the following bonus. I had one firm, and many firms actually now since they shared it in open coaching hours, that took Friday afternoons off. They did their growth time between 1 to 2:30. They took one process, completed it in 30 days, And then they had so much success with it. The attorney was so excited. They were grateful that the team came to them with the proposed bonus structure for this. I want you to get a quick win right now. I want you to start seeing with them. If you've heard it before, what's in it for me? Other than efficiency, effectiveness, and being able to plan your day, but we want you to have fun. We want to reward you and we want you to have celebration. So this firm, they took off every Friday, 1 to 2:30, they worked on the project. 30 days completed it, and now it's a standard within the firm. They're using 1 to 2:30 for growth time and future-based projects, and now the firm has closed at 2:30 forever going forward. And that was the proposed solution that they came for. Maybe for you all, it's money, maybe it's other things, but get creative and make sure it's meaningful and exciting for you.
I'm so tired of micromanaging. How do I train, manage, and lead? I can't find time to be visionary. Head down in the weeds.